So we have a 2023 Range Rover Autobiography. Obviously, we've done headrest screens on this vehicle. So as you can see, if we open the vehicle up, these headrest screens will switch themselves on manually. Now with these units, once they're loaded up, you will see the full demonstration. We've tried to coordinate with the interior of the car, where it's the brown oak and the cream interior. The customer wanted a champagne style on the screens. So as you can see, with the systems loading up, once they fully are on, as you can see, we are currently set on here. So with this, obviously we can go to our apps. We can go to YouTube, Netflix, and Play Store. We have Play Store, so you can obviously download multiple apps. We have Disney Plus, Google Chrome, so you can go onto the internet with these, as long as you're giving it an internet hotspot. We have ambient lighting on the very bottom. As you can see, we can change the colors from blue to red, back to purple. So if we leave it on red, these are the units in their place. True 4K quality. Own inbuilt speakers with Bluetooth compatibility as well. We have a volume adjustment on the screen as well, Bluetooth capabilities, and many more on this system as well.